The snake eating, doing his little thing. Next time I'll try and make a full video. But for this time, we'll just deal with the half mouse video. You might have to come off of there and try again, because he doesn't have them. The hands are sticking out on both sides. He's trying hard too. I think he's struggling. This is a bigger size mouse than he's used to. He's used to eating the pinky mouse, which is significantly smaller than this one. See his tail is sticking out. He's holding on to the side there to try to get a good grip. Good God. I don't live feed because I don't want him to get scratched, hurt, because live mice have claws, and they will scratch your snake. They also have like huge teeth, so I don't want him to get bitten. I don't want anything wiggling around, scratching the inside. Although by the time they get to a certain point, they are dead. But at this point, they wouldn't be dead yet. Just simply because he wouldn't have had him far enough. He's not venomous. He's just a corn snake. He's a big corn snake. He's a boy. You tell he's a boy because of his tail. If you look at his tail, it comes to a nice point. A girl's tail wouldn't be so pointy. It would be more of a thicker tail. It's amazing how big their mouth can get as opposed to their body. Like, he really will hump that thing down. It's ridiculous. And his body obviously is not quite as big around as this mouse. I tried one of the